Chicken fry, Chinese style chicken fry. Let's make a simple and easy chicken fry. Welcome to my channel Madhura Smrithi. Cook healthy, eat healthy and stay healthy. Take a big bowl and let's take all the spices required for marination of the chicken. Now add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon salt or as per the taste, 1 tablespoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon soya sauce, 1 tablespoon green chili sauce, 1 tablespoon red chili sauce and mix all these ingredients together. Now add 1 kg chicken pieces to these spices and rub well and mix well so that the spices properly coats the chicken piece. Rubbing the spices to the pieces, mix well. Now cover it and put in the fridge for about 1 to 2 hours for the marination. Now take a bowl, in that add 1½ cup of all-purpose flour, that is maida, half a cup corn flour, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder and mix well. In another bowl, take ice cold water. Now take the marinated chicken pieces and coat the dry all-purpose flour mixture by pressing it hardly into the flour. Rub it and press so that all the moisture from the chicken absorbs the flour mixture. Coat well with the flour. Now immediately drop these pieces in the ice cold water and immediately again put it in the dry flour mixture. Press it and apply the flour from all the sides of the pieces so that it coats well. Now shake the piece so that all the excess dry flour falls down. And now drop these well coated chicken pieces into hot oil. Now fry for about 5 to 8 minutes. Don't turn immediately. Allow it to fry for 4 to 5 minutes and then turn to the other side and fry for about 4 to 5 minutes. It takes about 7 to 8 minutes to fry completely. Fry on medium to high flame only so that the outer coating turns crunchy, crispy and the inner chicken piece cooks well and will be soft and juicy. Remove from the oil and put it on the kitchen towel so that excess oil is absorbed. And now repeat with the same process with the remaining marinated chicken pieces and fry well. Serve hot with tomato sauce or ketchup and enjoy the chicken fry. Chinese style chicken fry is ready to serve. Try this simple and easy recipe. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on it. Please share with your family and friends. For more interesting and healthy recipes, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.